So for this checkpoint, we're going to be looking at the keyframes and making sure that they have all been completed correctly. So we are not going to worry about captions. I'm not going to care about transitions. I'm just looking at keyframes. So I'm going to look at these first with a scrub through, and I can see that all three of those zoomed in. So that would be 5 points off. This is another case where all three of them are zooming in. But however, on my last category, I do have it zooming out on the last one. Now I'm going to check the actual keyframe values and whether there are 2 at the beginning and 2 at the end. I'm going to do this by jumping so I can quickly go from one to the next. So this goes from 50 to 100. Next picture, clicking on the keyframe jumper here, 45 to 77. So that is more than 20% change. That is a requirement as well. Otherwise, it just doesn't really look like it's zooming. 30 to 88, also sufficient. 42 to 100, so that's a full zoom. 45 to 100, again 2 here and 2 there. If you are missing a position change, then it's not going to move anywhere. It's just going to zoom into the middle. And now, as you can see, the transition is already there, so it's difficult to make adjustments without removing that transition and then being able to change it. Now I can press home and end, and it still goes to the last frame of that picture. So if you're missing something like that, make it move a little bit. See what you can see and just position it somewhere else. You can also double click on the image, which, because I'm on this one, is allowing me to move to where I've got a good ending position. All right, let's check the rest of these. Going from 45 to 101. So that's a deduction because it is just too easy to just type 100, and now you're not going over the limit of 100. Even 0.1% is starting to degrade the quality of the picture. It's why we work so hard to find really, really large pictures. 34 to 61, also in that 20% range. 43 to 88, and then 100 down to 32. So I should see at least 3 of those, one in each category, where the numbers are going down instead of up.